now guess what, man? Mike back, man. The same one that was riding the damn baby wheelchair. I mean a wheelchair with the baby carriage on the back of it. The man that stole somebody's car and he ain't got but one leg, y'all. Y'all better watch the hell out. I know this ain't right here. Alright. Okay, guys. Welcome back to the channel, man. Appreciate y'all giving me a little bit of your time, man. Today we are fighting a hell of a fight. Here at the shop, man, we got a 20, what is this thing, Charles? 2015 Jeep Patriot that had a side window regulator and motor replacement. Okay, the trick of this whole thing was getting the door panel off, you know, and Charles is, you know, he's going to show us a few little steps of what he had to do to get this thing off and get it back together. Go ahead with your motor. Here's the window motor, not regulator, I'm sorry, the window motor replacement. Okay, here's the motor. There's your part number right there. And what he had to do is part number right there. What we had to do is this door panel, man. It's the trickiest thing on this thing. Step number one. This cover is made like it's made. Okay, it's made like it's made. It's got the handles off. It'd be easier if you took this handle off right here. You take it off right here at the end. Okay, it's easier down in here because she has a snap right there. You just take it off this snap right here.
No, this one. It's a red one then.
Okay, a red one, he says. That's a red one down there. Let me get in there real quick.
One,
the yellow one is for the door lock latch, and that red one right there is for the inside door latch. See, it's got red right here.
To it right here because this here.
See, because you can't get to it right here.
I didn't want to break this trying to get it out.
So the best way to take it off is there. You see that? Okay, once you guys get that part off, the door, anytime you see these pins like this, they point downward. Point downward. That means the panel comes down in these latches. You got latches. And then you got two screws, three bolts.
Which they go right here.
2, 3.
They hold the regulator too.
They hold this motor to this plastic and this whole plastic housing.
Yeah, that there. But the screws hold this regulator up.
Okay, the screws hold the regulator up. You guys heard it. You got a bolt hole here. You got one down here. See that right there? It's a screw that's going to hold that regulator right here. It's going to hold it up there. It's going to be one there.
But it comes through the door panel.
But it comes through this door panel, okay? Y'all follow me? It's going to come through this door panel, but it holds that regulator up. So it's got two jobs, really. It holds the regulator up and the door panel at the same time, okay? The motor will come up like this here, but it also fits. It bolts up right in here. You can see where it bolts up to the door panel from this side. Hold this, Charles. Like this. The motor will bolt. It'll come over here. Right there. Bolt, bolt, bolt. Okay, that's where this goes. I know it looks like a mess to you guys, but you can do it. You can do it. You got another bolt down here by the speaker. Then you have the top part of it.
That's for your switch.
This is for your switches.
Don't forget the screw right here. The screw that comes in from this
Okay.
side.
He said it's a screw that comes in.
That holds this plastic.
That holds that plastic into that door panel like that. There's one screw that goes in through there. Okay. It comes in this way.
Yeah.
Okay, so it comes in from the back side. All right. And the rest of it, you have a panel snap down, push down.
Lock in right here.
They go up like that.
Your door lock comes through here.
Door latch come through here.
Hooks to your shower.
Okay.
The yellow one.
The yellow one. Yep, the door latch hooks to the yellow one. Remember, the red one goes for the inside one right here. It even got red on it, so y'all won't mix it up.
This is for the inside door lock, the yellow.
Okay, the yellow one for the inside door lock. That's it, man, to take the door panel off. It's a process. So this video will help you locate where your boat sit, or here, there, and the two on the bottom. Right here. They up under the case right there. Be still. They're right there.
And one right here.
That would be this one right here, and that one right there. It'll be there and there. Those two would be your bottom door latches. All right. That's what it looks like towing out. Remember, the regulator is loose right now for the window. It all bolts up like that. Bolts up here. Bolts up down there. Bolts here. And you already got one there. See, this one will be the same as over here. See that? Okay. You got your latches. Yellow one for top. For the top. For the inside right here. The inside door lock. Yeah. Inside door lock. And then the red one down there is for
inside door opening.
For inside door opening. That's the one that rods that runs all the way up to here. Okay. All right, guys. There it is, man. Removing the door panel on a 2015 Jeep Patriot. Replacing the window motor, which is here. I gave you guys a part number earlier in the video. Okay, man. That's it, man. Feel that this was helpful, please subscribe so you can get many more videos like this one here. Man, give me a thumbs up and give me a share. Till next time.